ask them, can I have a run?
GTA stuff. You use GTA stuff in Deadly 5-star.
You feel like you're holding the cross in Jesus.
Let me hold the cross.
Yeah, I told him that.
Time to go back for the show.
It's
bouncy house there.
You want to go?
It's already hot.
It's like the school one.
So
imagine
hot.
you just jump on it once and it just like deflates.
It will melt.
I'm surprised it's not melting already.
Huh? It's probably already melted on the bottom. So the grass will be plastic grass.
Oh, new type of grass. It'll be plastic.
And cone grass, fence grass, compressed air grass, airplane
wine
grass, Apache grass, T2
Jesus.
grass, C2 grass, a Piper grass, a Cessna 172 grass, a Apache grass, and car grass. See, I need more than you guys.
Yours is fake grass. Ours is real grass.
Hey,
Boat grass.
remove before takeoff grass, landing gear grass, hydraulic grass.
That's not
grass.
counted.
It needs to be the grass.
It needs to literally be the grass.
The tie-down grass.
What?
Tie-down grass.
I done grass.
Grass with a tie-down. Why they didn't bring a Black Hawk? So I can tease it in the same crash.
That's what I was hoping. That there's like a black
Like last year they had more stats. This year they have less.
No money in it.
Hey, that's why they charge us $50 for the price. We can do like next year, so they have a bigger show next year.
Next year, better buy early.
Huh?
Better buy early.
I mean, no, but Saturday tickets are 50 and Friday tickets are 40.
Because yesterday's a fireworks show.
You don't need that.
Then if you want to come here, it's 50 bucks.
Why you laugh? Why you laugh?
Because your singing is gonna be in the video.
Nice. That should be that should be background music. You will cut off your voice.
I'll get like copyright
It's better than the singing by Leo, right?
Oh, wait, are you recording? Is that a mouse?
I don't think you can hear it.
No.
Go from the
It's fine, it's not too late. I mean, it's not too late.